Wait! This $118 Bible outsells luxury watches on Amazon. Here's why. Most Bibles are cheaply made. Cracked spines, yellowing pages, binding that screams disposable. Whether you're buying your first or replacing one that's falling apart, you deserve something built to last generations. The NIV Heritage Bible Premier Collection changes everything. Hand-bound and genuine goatskin leather, the same material luxury brands charge thousands for. Art-gilt blue under silver edges that shimmer like jewelry. 3 silk ribbons that feel like they belong in a palace. Zondervan's exclusive comfort print makes every word crystal clear, no more squinting or eye strain. Smyth-sewn binding that flexes without breaking. I've tested hundreds of Bibles as a content creator, and nothing even comes close to this craftsmanship. Here's what's crazy. People drop $300 on AirPods that break in 2 years. This costs less and becomes a treasured family heirloom. Your kids will inherit this. Their kids will inherit this. That's maybe 50 cents per year of ownership. Amazon stock is dropping fast. Over 400 5-star reviews in just the past month. When luxury Bible collectors discover this price point, it's game over. Most are already back-ordered until Christmas. Link below, grab yours now. Like if quality matters to you, subscribe for more hidden gems, share with someone who deserves luxury.